Core demographic parameters and their determinants. UGC Net Anthropology. Unit 4. Part 9.1. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. 1. Fertility. Concept. Fertility refers to the actual reproductive performance of an individual, couple, group, or population. In other words, the number of live births occurring. It differs from fecundity, which is the biological capacity to reproduce, and from birth rate, which is a demographic measure of fertility. In demography, it is often measured by crude birth rate, CBR live births per 1,000 people in a year. Total fertility rate, TFR, the average number of children a woman would bear if current age-specific fertility rates persisted throughout her reproductive years. Determinants. Demographers often use Davis and Blake's framework and Bongart's proximate determinants model to understand fertility. Biological factors. Age at menarche, first menstruation, and menopause. Health and nutrition affects ovulation and pregnancy outcomes. Infertility, primary or secondary. Proximate, direct determinants. Proportion married or in sexual union. Contraceptive use and effectiveness. Postpartum infecundability, often due to breastfeeding. Induced abortion rates. Socioeconomic and cultural determinants. Education, especially of women. Economic conditions, income, cost of child rearing. Urbanization. Religion and cultural norms about family size. Employment patterns, especially female participation in the labor force. Government policies, pronatalist or antinatalist. 2. Morbidity and mortality. Morbidity, concept. Refers to the state of being diseased or unhealthy within a population. Can be measured as incidence, new cases of a disease over a specific period. Prevalence, total number of cases, new and existing, at a given time. Morbidity includes both communicable, infectious, and non-communicable, chronic conditions, as well as disability. Morbidity, determinants. Biological, genetic predisposition, age, sex. Environmental, water quality, sanitation, pollution, housing. Behavioral, diet, exercise, smoking, alcohol, substance use. Healthcare access, preventive services, treatment availability. Socioeconomic, poverty, education, occupation. Cultural, health beliefs, traditional practices. Mortality, concept. Mortality refers to the incidence of death in a population. Common measures. Crude death rate, CDR deaths per 1,000 people per year. Infant mortality rate, IMAR infant deaths per 1,000 live births. Life expectancy, average years a newborn is expected to live. Cause-specific mortality rate. Mortality, determinants. Biological, age structure of population, genetic diseases. Medical care, access to preventive and curative services. Nutrition, undernutrition or overnutrition. Environmental hazards, unsafe water, pollution, disasters. Socioeconomic factors, income inequality, education. Lifestyle, smoking, alcohol, risky behaviors. Conflict and violence. 3. Migration. Concept. Migration is the permanent or semi-permanent change of residence by individuals or groups. Can be internal, within a country, e.g., rural to urban. International, between countries, immigration, emigration. Measured by migration rate equals number of migrants / total population times 1,000. Determinants, push, pull model. Push factors, drive people away. Unemployment, poverty. Political instability, conflict. Environmental degradation, disasters. Lack of services, education, healthcare. Pull factors, attract people. Better job opportunities. Higher wages. Political stability and safety. Better infrastructure and services. Intervening factors. Distance and travel costs. Immigration laws and policies. Social networks in the destination. Personal factors. Age, education, skills. Family obligations. Risk tolerance. 4. Selection intensity. Concept. In demography and evolutionary biology, selection intensity refers to the strength of natural selection acting on a trait in a population. In human demography, Crow's index, I, is often used to measure it. Equals. Plus. 2. I equals. 2. I. M. Plus I. F. Where. I. M. Equals intensity due to mortality. I. F. Equals intensity due to fertility differentials. It reflects the proportion of genetic variation that is being removed from a population each generation due to differential survival and reproduction. Determinants. Mortality patterns. High infant / child mortality increases selection intensity because more genetically unfit individuals fail to reproduce. Fertility patterns. If some individuals have many children and others have few or none, selection intensity increases. Disease burden. Strongly selective diseases, e.g., smallpox historically, raise intensity. Technological and medical advances. These reduce mortality and thereby weaken natural selection. Cultural and social practices, marriage patterns, mate selection, and family size preferences. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.